This machine looks like a giant brass piano. It is called the Aetheric Analytical Engine. Inventor Charles Voss designed it in 1887. He wanted a computer that runs on steam. The form uses many large gears. Each gear is made of polished iron. The frame is a wooden case with copper panels. There are dozens of levers and switches. A glass dome sits on top of the device. Inside the dome, a tiny furnace burns coal. The furnace provides steam for the gears. Steam pushes pistons that turn the gears. The gears move a set of data rods. These rods hold punched cards like a loom. When a card moves, the engine reads numbers. The numbers travel through rotating wheels. Each wheel adds, subtracts, or copies the value. The result appears on a small ink printer. Thus the engine can solve math equations. It can also sort lists of names. Its function matches early modern computers. The device needs a person to load cards. An operator turns a crank to start the process. The crank sets the main gear in motion. The sound of ticking fills the lab. The aesthetic mixes Victorian elegance with industrial grit. Polished brass shines against dark iron. Ornamental filigree decorates the control panels. Steam pipes curve like decorative vines. The look feels both old and futuristic. People who saw it said it looked alive. It became a symbol of imagination in the age. Even though it never entered full production, it inspired later designs. Artists still draw it in steampunk novels. The Aetheric Analytical Engine shows how gears can compute.